Point Blue Conservation Science. And in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use the new Biologist application to enter point count data using very specialized protocols for secretive marsh birds. You log into the Biologist application and you choose your project. I'm going to choose the Dumbio project and click on point count and secretive marsh bird surveys. Now I click transect to enter data for, and here I'm presented with either choice to create a new visit or review or edit previously entered data. I'm going to enter new data, a new visit, and I'm going to use this protocol here. Here I enter the date of the visit. I'm going to put in today's date, and I can either enter data as myself or as someone else. I'm going to enter data for this point. I'm going to start at 5 o'clock and put a note in to say that it's still dark out. So here's the protocol. This is a special protocol for detecting secretive marsh birds, black rails, Virginia rails, clapper rails, and you have these three detection cues. You have various codes that you can enter for distances. You can either use exact distances between 1 and 1,000 meters, or you can use these codes to mean these various things. And here is a description of how the protocol is performed. First you have a passive minute, a second passive minute, third passive minute, fourth, fifth. On the 6th minute you do a playback of a black rail. Here you do a playback of this thing, etc. So let's enter some of the data. So I pick my point, I put in a time. I'm going to say it happened at 5:02, and that would imply, let's say it's a black rail, and that would imply that it's during the passive minute 2, and I need to put it in a detection code. Let's say it was 1. I heard 1 black rail there, and now I also have to put in a distance code here. So I'm going to put in, let's see, I'm going to put in that it was less than 50, so L50. And then let's say a little bit later, during the 6th minute, I heard another black rail. No, I should put in the code for the species, and let's say the distance now is closer, G25. Now I'm going to save that data. And now I can review it. And again, I can edit any fields that have a light blue mark here by double clicking. Okay, thank you for your attention.